had an appointment and even tried to find a place besides their pediatrician to get a flu shot. But their little boy died of the flu days before he was scheduled to get the vaccine.
Now his family is hoping to save your child. They talked to KXAN's Arzo Dost and say that a state law could have made a difference for them.
He was a really warm and loving little boy.
His name is Leon Saderi.
When somebody asks you to describe your child, the hardest part is the feeling that you get being with them. You can't ever put into words. He just made all of us feel really special.
He was just 4 years old when he got the flu.
He started to develop just some general flu-like symptoms, so some fever and just general muscle aches. We knew something initially was wrong when he woke up with some difficulty breathing, and we immediately brought him to the emergency room.
Leon died on Christmas Day last year, less than 48 hours after he started feeling sick. His parents say he had not yet gotten the flu shot. They're both in the Air Force and lived in San Antonio at the time.
We had wanted to go somewhere like a pharmacy because our pediatrics office, roughly 45 minutes from our house, but that was not an option for us.
State law bans pharmacists from vaccinating kids younger than 7 years old. So the Saderis, both doctors, decided to get Leon's flu shot when they were going to the pediatrician for his younger brother's checkup. He died days before that appointment.
For us, it would have made a difference. For us, if we had had access to our pharmacy down the road.
The Saderis are using their devastating loss.
Don't wait to get it.
To spread this message.
As a parent who's lost a child to the flu, I don't want anybody else to experience that.
I'm told there are groups trying to change the state law, which would allow pharmacists to give flu shots to kids. A spokesperson with the National Association of Chain Drug Stores, which includes CVS, H-E-B pharmacies, and Walgreens, says they hope to work with lawmakers next session. We also checked with the Texas Medical Association. In a statement, a spokesperson says TMA believes that vaccinations for children and adolescents should be given only under the direction of a physician in the context of a preventative care exam, so critical aspects of health and deployment can also be assessed. Now, the Saderis have already helped dozens of children get vaccinated and have even teamed up with flu advocacy and prevention groups. They've also created a memorial fund in Leon's name. All the money will go to help children with medical problems during Christmas. It was Leon's favorite holiday. Robert.
Arzo, thanks. Leon was one of 185 children who died in last year's flu season. That's according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. It was a historic high. The CDC says about 80% of those deaths were in children who did not get a flu shot. It takes about 2 weeks for the shot to work. The flu can peak in December and spread after all the holiday festivities.